Hi guys, sorry about the weird angle. But whatever. I'll just get this message out to you ASAP. So class of 2019, including today, looking at my calendar, I just counted. Today's the 16th. So number one, happy vacation. Enjoy. And if you're on any team that's going to any kind of competition, good luck. And for those of you who are skiers, good luck at States. If you're Mount Blue, I'll see you. If you are a Phoenix, have fun up in the county. It ought to be fun. I had a wicked fun time when I was a freshman and I went to the county for States. Good memories. Anywho, SAT. So this is going to be my first, what we're up to video. And essentially what I need you to do, my sprucies, you've already done this. Mount Blue kids I'm working with, this is probably fairly self-evident, but whatever. What I want you to do, and don't worry, I'm going to put words down here, and I'll also have like a kind of task list linked down below. What I want you to do, please, is to get logged into your College Board account. If you don't remember what it is and you can't reset it, you're going to have to call them. It should not be a cost item though, because when you took PSATs as a junior, or as a sophomore, so last fall, the fall of 2016, when you took your 2016 PSATs as sophomores in school, that information got to the State Department of Education through your guidance office. So that's nothing you would have set up. That's nothing your advisors would have set up. That's literally just your name, your birthday, your telephone number, your address, your parents, all linked together. So you should be able to go in there and provide match data and set up your account. But if that fails, then you have to call College Board, and it should not cost you any money. And if they're trying to tell you it costs $15, forget about it. Okay? It should cost $0. I'll put that number down below because I have a kind of backdoor number to get to people who aren't going to try to charge you $15. Anywho, so get logged in, and then it kind of depends on what browser you're using, how you came in, blah, blah, blah. But basically what you want to be able to do, and I'll get the specific phrasing and put it here, there's a start official SAT practice now with Khan Academy button. And I'm doing this off the top of my head. So again, I'll put the official words here as well as down below. But that's what you want to do. And why? Because let's say you're really, really good at commas. You don't want to have to prove that again, right? If you proved that when you were a sophomore and now you're a junior and you have 53 days between now and the day you take in-school SATs, you don't want to have to be proving again to Khan Academy that you have a clue about commas. So you're going to port that test data or those test data in, okay? So that's like best case scenario. Now, a couple of my sprucies, I know you didn't get to take PSATs, and that's okay. No big deal. You just start right away with Khan Academy. And again, I'll have this all stepped out in directions down below. Or you can't get logged in and you try with College Board and it still fails. No big deal. You just have to go through and take those placement tests, and I think there are 29 subsections. I'll clarify later. Of the reading and writing sub areas, if you will. And Khan Academy wants to have a sense of you as a reader and a sense of you as a grammarian, basically. And so if you do have to go through and do those tests, that's what you'll be doing. You'll be doing like subject-verb agreement and, naming the parts of speech as they relate to appropriate syntax, so on and so forth, okay? All right, so that's the first thing is, what's your objective for this first thing? Get logged into College Board, get your scores, and then here's the last part. Make sure that if you can see your scores, that you, I think it's view more details. You click on, and that's going to be on the upper right hand side of viewing your scores, you click on that and then it gives you an option to download report, which is your PDF of your scores. And you have the option of either sharing those with me or not. I don't really care, but I will help you in the next video and the next kind of handout to make sense of what those scores are, what they mean, and the kinds of work you need to do in order to improve them. Okay. So basically what we're going to do with your scores is we'll look at each data point, determine if you really do have a problem understanding that material. If you do have a problem understanding that material, we'll go fix any knowledge gaps you have. Like a big one for people is semicolons. And if you feel like, oh my God, semicolons, they're going to totally ruin my life, it's really not that hard. You just say, hey, I have a hard time with semicolons. Let's go fix it. And that's fine. And no one's going to judge you. And if anyone that I work with starts judging you, they'll be summarily uninvited. Because nobody's perfect. So log into College Board, port your stuff over to Khan, download the PDF of your scores, share them with me if you want to. If not, go to the next lesson so you can learn how to read the subscores and then connect that to self-improvement techniques. Thanks, guys.